Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about state management of TypeScript. In TypeScript, we are following the series of TypeScript, right? In that, we'll see state management concept today. Okay, this concept provides objects which we call it as super global variables, also call it as. Okay, to access the data of one page to another page. We'll use these global variables to store the data. Okay, by using this cookies, sessions, local storage, and session storage for storing the data of that variables or properties, we'll use these mechanisms. In this, now we'll discuss about local storage and session storage. Okay, it will maintain the state of that session, right? Okay, in local storage, this is the super global variables. Directly we can call it local storage dot set item, local storage dot get item, like this we can call it. No need to create object or like that. Okay, it is a predefined function. Okay, local storage, it is an object provides many methods to create or read local storage data. Okay, if we want we can create local storage. If we want to read, there is some method to read that local storage data. Okay, by using set item, this function we can use to create that local storage data. By using that set item we can create that local storage for particular user. Okay, get item, by using get item of unum, whatever the key we have provided for in set item, we need to get item by using that key. Set item, get item, remove item, clear, these are the methods or functions available in local storage. Same functions also available in session storage also. Okay, see, remove item is useful to remove a single property. Okay, clear is useful to clear all the local storage data. Okay, we'll see one example so that you can understand more about this local storage, how we can store and how we can read those variables data in one page to another page. Okay, yes, here is our example. Demo.ts is a TypeScript file. Okay, then demo.html is the HTML file to open in browser. Okay, here demo.js, we need to provide connection between TS and HTML file, right? Internally TypeScript file is converted to JS. That JS file we need to provide in script tag. Okay, then see here how we can return local storage variables. Okay, function create is a one function which we have declared. In that alert message, some hi we are providing local storage dot set item of uname we have provided as Thiru Academy. Second, local storage dot set item city we have provided as Hyderabad. And function read is one more function we have provided, and alert local storage dot get item. First we'll see about local storage, then we'll go with session storage. Okay, see, local storage dot get item of uname and city. First I'll compile this TypeScript file. We'll see how it is displaying local storage, where it is storing. Okay, tsc demo.ts -w. In watch mode I am opening. Okay, see, no errors. Then demo.html I am opening in browser. Okay, see, hi message it is displaying, then uname Thiru Academy, then city Hyderabad, then displaying click button. Okay, see, local storage dot in function create, I'll remove of city. Okay, here we didn't compile that program. We'll see local storage variables. In application, we can see that local storage data here, local storage. Then file, see, name Thiru, city Hyderabad, uname Thiru Academy. Here we didn't given that name, right? So previously, which I have stored those variables, all variables it is displaying. We'll see local storage dot clear, I'll call. So it is clear all the variables properties which we have created. Yeah, nothing is there, right? See, I'm removing this clear. I'm refreshing this page, demo.html file again. So uname, city. See, here we are seeing that uname. City we have removed. Remove item of city. Like this we can store the local storage dot set item, get item. Local storage variable. In this way we can operate. Okay. Same way session storage dot set item, set item of name Thiru I am giving. Okay, sorry, it is session storage, right? Okay, fine. Alert, sorry, session storage dot get item of name. This I am commenting, no need, right? It is already compiled. I am refreshing this page. See, hi Thiru. Alert. In read function, we are displaying only one alert, session storage dot get item of name. Name we have displayed as Thiru. Yeah, fine. Next, we'll discussed already. We'll read these file information in another file, right? So we'll see one thing here. We'll redirect to one more file by using anchor tag. Okay, href file.html. This is the file name itself. We have mentioned file. Okay, redirect, just a name to redirect to file.html file. Okay, see here, this is the file.html file we have mentioned. Okay, just we are displaying welcome message, but in demo2.typescript file we are reading that local storage variables. Okay, local storage dot get item of uname, city we are reading, and session storage dot get item, what we have provided here, name we have provided, not that uname 1. Okay, fine. We'll see. I am refreshing that page, demo.html. It is displaying Thiru. How it is displayed here? We are displaying that, sorry, in demo.ts, session storage dot get item of name we are reading, right? That's why Thiru it is displaying. Then next we'll redirect to file.html. It is saying file not found. Why it is displaying like this? We need to compile that demo2.ts file, right? We didn't compile, if you observe. Okay, we need to compile this file also. tsc demo2.ts-w. Is fine, 0 errors. Okay, it is compiled. Now we will refresh that. Okay, going Thiru. I'm going to call that file that HTML file. Okay, see here, if you observe in that demo2.ts file, local storage.get item, uname what we have provided, Thiru Academy, right? See, Thiru Academy, city Hyderabad, name Thiru we are getting, right? This is the way we need to get that local storage variables from one variable to another variable. If you observe here, see, local storage variables, uname, city already they are presented. In session storage also, name stored here. Okay. Yes, this is the way we need to create that local storage and session storage variables in TypeScript. If you really like this video, please like, share and comment me in comment box. If you want more videos about Angular and TypeScript, please let me know in comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching.